Hello everyone. In this session we'll be going through the customer and driver interface. Along with that we'll be also covering up the vendor flow in parallel. So we will also go through the vendor booking which has been made by the customer. So let's start with the customer first. So this is the customer panel that we'll be able to view. So like suppose if I wanted to order something from the restaurant, so I just click on a particular restaurant. I'll be clicking over here on foodies, and I'll be able to add the items to the cart. So let's add this particular item. I can also add the extras over here by selecting any extra add-on. If I wanted to select, I can click on the add button and it will be reflected on my add to cart. Now moving on further, as I've already explained you that this is the customer booking section that I'll be explaining during the flow. So right now I'll be explaining you all this flow of the customer. So over here you can view the delivery type, delivery details, and the address information, wallet that I have information, if what payment I have method I have applied. Over here I'm applying wallet. I'll be able to change if I wanted to. I can see the list of the items, the add-ons, and the total amounts of total service charge, total discount that I have. Now let's click on the confirm booking. So over here I'll check. I have checked it and I'll see that my wallet amount is not full, so I have changed it into cash. Now I have click on the confirm booking, and as you can see that this booking has been sent to the restaurant. So over here in restaurant section I'll be able to check. Let me refresh it first. The request that I have received, so I can see that this is the request that I have received from the customer that I've ordered. So as a restaurant I'll be able to accept, reject, or close this request. I'll be also able to print the PDF of the particular order that I have. So I have accepted this request by clicking on this accept button. So once I have accepted this request will be sent to the driver. So this is a driver application over here. So as I can see on the home screen, I have received a request and I'll be accepting this request to move on further. So I've clicked on the accepted button. So once I've clicked on the accepted button, the order will be in process request of the driver of the vendor. So this is, you can see, in process stage. So once my order gets ready as a vendor, I'll be able to mark it as mark ready. So I've clicked on the mark ready button, and the notification will be sent to the driver as well as the customer. So as you can see over here, the rider has been assigned. I can see the notification over here. I'll be able to see that the order has been confirmed. I'll be able to track my order as a customer. Now let's go to the driver section. So once I click on this arrived button, the status of the order will be reflected, and the customer will be able to view that the order has been picked up. The order has, like, I have arrived on the particular restaurant, and once I have clicked on the pickup button in the driver section, the status will change immediately, and I'll see that the status has been changed and the order is on the way. So now the order is on the way, and once I have reached to the customer's destination as a driver, I'll be able to click on this complete button and the order gets completed. And as a driver, I'll be able to give ratings to the customers for the customer behavior and submit this option. So over here, as a customer, I'll see that my order has been delivered from the restaurant, and after the delivery I can give ratings to the restaurant, write my experience over here, and give ratings to the customer and reviews for the same. Give ratings to the driver and reviews for the same, and click on the submit button. So this is the overall flow of the customer, driver and the vendor application. And on the previous videos I've already explained you the complete flow and the complete journey that has been covered by the customer, the vendor journey, and the driver as well. So thank you so much for all the